Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn what is the barrier in communication. Barrier means obstruction. What is the obstruction in communication? Barrier means interruption. What is the interruption in communication? Number one, more levels in the organization structure through which an information has to pass. If organization structure is very long, then information flow from upper level to lower level, it is too difficult because there is more levels. Okay. Number two, long and ill structure channel of communication. If there is long and ill, not proper structure channel of communication, this is also barrier in communication. Number three, heavy workload at certain level in organization structure. Due to heavy workload at certain level in organization structure, this is also the barrier of communication. Okay. Number four, attitude, that is not to listen properly, or biasness. Attitude means sentiment or feelings or behavior not to listen properly. Okay. Or biasness. Biasness means favoritism. This is the barrier of communication. Okay. Number five, confliction or different meaning of word. Confliction means opposite meaning of word, or inverse meaning of word, or contradictory meaning of word. Okay, what is the confliction or different meaning of word? It is a most important barrier of communication. Okay. Number six, receiver tending to evaluate it from his own angle. Receiver tending to evaluate it from his own language, own angles, means own decision, own judgment. Okay. Number seven, receiver is emotionally upset. Receiver is emotionally upset. Okay. Emotionally means receiver feelings, receiver passion. Okay. Receiver is emotionally upset. Number eight, lack of proper motivation to communicate. Okay. Lack of proper inspiration to communication. Okay. Number nine, unwillingness to communicate. It is also the barrier of communication, unwillingness to communicate. Okay. It is clear, my student, what is the barrier in communication. Okay, thank you.